Alright, this is January 31st, about to be February 1st at 11:36 p.m. Apartment 3107D, Cypress Gardens. Here is our roof that's still damaged and moldy. And there's the leaks. And there's all the mold again. And it looks even worse and even more disgusting as you come over here to the left side. The mold is definitely still growing, still there. Spots, all right there. It's really dark and really disturbing. Over here, another spot. Over here, and there, all throughout. Here is it from a distance. Here's our nice little water bucket. Splash, splash. Let's see. Yeah. Water bucket from that. It's dark, nasty, and gross. This is what me and my fiance Daniel have had to live with for the past, I don't know, since December 14th, our move-in date. And we're coming into the master bedroom, and it looks like there's a leak in process over here. It's already damaged some of our items. Alright, this concludes the video on January 31st, 11:38 p.m. about to be February 1st, 2013.